At the Umansky Law Firm, we believe everyone deserves a second chance.
What we do is we have the client come in, we get a brief bio about the client, some good things that the client can share with us, and we will create a petition that's a little bit more detailed, not much more detailed, but we create a little more detail than the state Supreme Court form and put in some of the good things about our clients. We'll tell them if they're a teacher or a doctor or perform community service, or if they're parts of charity, or if they want a career in a noble profession, or if they're needing simply this done so that they can just get a decent paying job. We'll let the court know something personal about you when we prepare this petition. In our affidavit that we have you sign, we'll also have you swear under oath about why you need this done, which is powerful evidence, we think, when filing this petition with the court. Now, if you're doing it on your own, you're going to take the petition, the certificate, the affidavit in order, and you're going to make sure that you make a photocopy of that and write a letter to the judge with a copy of all the aforementioned things, the things that I mentioned before, and send it to the judge's judicial assistant. Make sure that you get the correct judge, make sure you get the correct judicial assistant and address, because I can tell you if you send it to the wrong judge, it could get returned, thereby creating another delay in the process. Look at your clerk of court website. It may be a different judge is handling your case now than handled your case in the beginning. So make sure that you have the most up-to-date judge who's going to handle your file, or be prepared to be delayed. Now, where else do you send the petition along with the accompanying documentation? You've got to send the original to the clerk of court, and don't mistake this. If you send your original petition and your original certificate and it goes to the law enforcement agency or the clerk, the law enforcement agency or the state attorney's office, and they lose it, you're out the original certificate of eligibility. And with that being said, you're not going to get your petition granted, and you're going to have to reapply the whole process all over again, thereby another 3-month to 9-month wait on top of it. And believe me, that's happened. That's why I'm bringing this up. So if you're doing it, make sure that you get your original certificate to the clerk of court. I stress this so much that I would suggest that if you're doing it by yourself, that you actually go down to the clerk of court as opposed to mailing it, and make sure that you get it stamped in and a receipt that you filed it. That's how important it is. At our office, we have our runner do the same, because we want to make sure that that original certificate gets to where it needs to go, which is the clerk of court where the arrest originated from.